Hi, Mike. So this case makes sense as per our new calculations, but just wanted to confirm with you. So here I had done inventory adjustment for this item at this location for 10 quantity. So it's a positive transaction that I have done. And when I go and check the purchase order, these lot numbers are not there, so I think it is expected. And if we go to the sales order for the same item and the location, this lot number is available. So for the sales order or the invoices, we have this lot number available, but for the positive transactions like purchase orders or bills, these lot numbers are not there since they are positive transaction. Similarly, if we create a bill for this item and for some other location, so that bill, that particular lot number is not available for the sales order and invoices, but it is available for the purchase order. So I just wanted to confirm. I think the behavior is right, and it's as per our new calculations. So I think yeah. So it is this one is there for the sales order invoices because this transaction is positive, and I compare this with the staging, and on staging, this positive transaction is available for both. This lot number is available for both on purchase order as well as on sales order. So yeah, uh, I just need your confirmation. That's it. Thank you.